Good morning. It is Sunday, July 5th, and right now we're walking to the metro station. Today is a day full of side quests, y'all, because today we're going to take passport pictures and then we're going to go to the African market to get yam and plantain. Then my brother's also going to get a haircut and then maybe we'll get something else. I don't know, but that's the plan for right now. So yeah. I can use it, but I don't need it. From where? From there? Yeah. What are these?
Cassava.
This is cassava? That's what it looks like? I don't remember it looking like this.
It's cassava.
Why is it so oily? I remember it looking more like yam.
More like
Yam.
yam. Oh, cassava is like.
We just finished eating the first plate. I'll order another plate because my brother is a big back.
It's the one that said, not really. What he asked her first, and she was like, don't want another plate. And I was like, I would like another plate. It's like, okay, yeah, I get it.
I didn't want another plate. It was because of him that I was like, okay, let's get another plate then, because I wouldn't have cared. But so now we're gonna go get him a haircut because he looks chopped AF.
Huh?
Just look at that hair, y'all. Ugly as fuck. Okay, y'all. We're going back home now. He still hasn't gotten his haircut, but on our way home, as I was saying, on our way home, there's a stop that we can go to for him to get his haircut because the barber shop we went to was closed. So yeah, we're in the metro station right now. you. Okay, now we are in Strasbourg, Saint Denis.
Oh my days. It is. Denise. Strasbourg Saint Denis. She does not speak French.
Oui, oui. He's about to get his haircut now, so are you ready for your hair to be gone?
I'm just fading the sides, you know that, right?
He's gonna get a buzz. He's gonna get a buzz.
Okay. She's gonna get a. Oh, wait, no, you already chopped. There's no other choppable chop.
Bye.
Last time I did that, it looked just weird. It looked better. Yo, I want to shake this myself. I know what I'm doing. It's a process.
Just buzz it. You know? Here's a before. use your paw. I want it so bad, bro. Okay, now I'm looking for baking powder and baking soda. But I still haven't found the baking powder or the baking soda. I also haven't found measuring cups and the cupcake tin, like the pan. So I'm just gonna have to ask. Okay, y'all, we're back out. I just dropped off the groceries from the other shop into Marché, and now I'm walking to Carrefour, basically another supermarket, but it's a small one. What I need is a cupcake, the pan for the cupcake tin. Wait, what? The pan for the cupcake liners, and I need measuring cups. Into Marché is bigger, so we're gonna see though. Crossing fingers, guys. Alright, y'all. This is all I found. I found a quid measuring cup and I got some gloves. That's basically it.
Sunlight spills on the window. The aroma of coffee fills the air. Lazy cat is curled up on the sofa. Time passes so slowly as if it were hidden away. Wind gently blew across the face.
This is not looking brown sugar. Is that brown sugar? I don't think it is, bro. It looks like dirt. What do I do? I think it's just cane sugar. I'm still gonna use this, bro.
My Sunday, as if worlds stand still. Only my heartbeat could be heard. Smile and laugh heartily all by myself. The sound of pages on the table being turned by the wind. The casual chat of sparrows outside the window. The leaves blown by the wind are still rustling. How melodious everything is. Just quietly enjoy this time. Sunday, no worries but only niceness. Oh, my Sunday, as if worlds stand still. Only my heartbeat could be heard. Smile and laugh heartily all by myself. Tacking of the second hand, beating of the pulse. Every breath and heartbeat seem to be engraved into the memory. Today belongs only to me and time. Oh, my Sunday, no worries but only niceness. Oh, my Sunday, as if worlds stand still. Only my heartbeat could be heard. Smile and laugh heartily all by myself.
Okay, I'm gonna pour it in this pan. Ignore my terrible parchment paper cutting skills. Good afternoon, frankly. I don't know what time it is right now, but my brother and I were going out to get some food to eat. Mainly because, what was I gonna say? Oh, mainly because we didn't want to cook. We're too lazy. So, oh, he can cook, so he's not even in the equation.
Sunny.
Because I didn't want to cook, I was too lazy, so.
Yeah, she's the lazy.
We're just walking around. Oh.
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that soul sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. Ooh, I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got you.
We just finished eating, and I'm forcing my brother to go on a walk, which is why he's so cranky. Cause his fat ass does not want to walk.
We get to the street, we're turning around.
Oh please, bro. What's that?
And by turning around, I mean back to the house. Your making was random. What you said?
The scenery is actually so good. No, we're not.
Okay,
we're going around. We're going around.
No, bro.
So we'll go to the house. We're just going around.
Alright, hurry up.
This is supposed to be a calm vlog. You're ruining the
Be a
vibe.
cowboy. Oh my god.
You're ruining the vibe. We need to be calm.
Get a bag like that. Oh, you're ruining my life.
Oh, please, gang. Should we cross the street?
No,
Knock it down.
I don't care.
Never you here, I feel like I can't lose. Baby, I wanna ride with you, I got so high, oh, I can't leave.
A huge mosquito bite on my neck. When I went grocery shopping yesterday, it's been itchy and disturbing. I was really red and swollen yesterday.